Hey gamers, it's Kat here and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be getting into Chizuru cosplay from Rent a Girlfriend. So here's the cosplay that I haven't opened yet. Alright, let's go. Okay, so here's the top. This is the ribbon and this is the skirt. Let's go ahead and put it on. So here's the shirt and the skirt and everything, and I think it looks pretty cute. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys prefer my voiceover videos or when I actually am like doing a get ready with me, but for some reason it seems like the videos that are really short and they're just like quick little showing the cosplay, people tend to like them and they get like people interact with them more. So I'm doing another one of these because I really didn't feel like filming a video, so I just kind of recorded myself doing my makeup. And oh my god, what am I doing? I did my nose contour so badly. But yeah, anyways, I don't know, I like how easy these are to film, because if I don't feel like filming a video, like I don't feel like talking, then I can just quickly record myself doing my makeup, and I look bad. I always look bad in these videos, but that's fine, because just trust the process, because the end looks really good. But yeah, it's New Year's Eve, well, like, it should be New Year's Eve, because I'm posting this at like 12 a.m., but yeah, what are you guys doing for New Year's Eve? I'm literally doing nothing. Well, I'm not sure if I'm doing anything because I haven't asked, but I don't think I'm doing anything today, so that's kind of sad, but it's fine. It's fine. And this wig, oh my god, it was a pain, but here's the end. If you want to see the actual video, like, because there's no sound because copyright, but if you want to see the video with sound, you can go and follow my TikTok. It is linked in the description if you're interested. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.